Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in costume accessories and makeup for all your creative needs. Today, we're taking a close look at the Rubies Pennywise Movie Makeup Kit, the ultimate choice for transforming yourself into the terrifying Pennywise from the IT movie. If you're looking to create a spooky, lifelike clown look for Halloween or any costume event, this is the makeup kit you need. Let's dive into the details of what makes this the best Pennywise makeup kit on the market. The Rubies Pennywise Movie Makeup Kit is officially licensed, ensuring you get an authentic look that's directly inspired by the film. It includes everything you need to recreate Pennywise's signature clown face. You'll find a white cream makeup base that gives you the perfect canvas to work with. This is essential for achieving the ghostly, pale skin tone that makes Pennywise so unsettling. Along with the cream makeup, the kit also includes a 4-color makeup tray, allowing you to easily mix and match shades to add depth, shadows, and those signature red accents around the eyes and mouth. To complete the look, the kit comes with a bright red lipstick for that bold, sinister clown smile. The set also includes 2 sponge applicators to help you apply the makeup smoothly and precisely. This is a perfect kit for both beginners and seasoned makeup artists who want to create a high-quality Pennywise look without spending a fortune on professional-grade products. Rubies has made sure to provide a user-friendly experience, offering a well-rounded kit that saves you time and effort. Whether you're planning to wear it for Halloween, a themed party, or even a cosplay event, this makeup kit will ensure that you stand out as the infamous creepy clown from Stephen King's IT. One of the biggest advantages of this kit is that it's an officially licensed product. This means that you're getting the same high-quality makeup used by professional costume designers. So, you can rest assured that this makeup won't just look great, it will also last throughout the night. The makeup is designed to be long-wearing, so you won't have to worry about touch-ups or fading while you're scaring your friends. The Rubies Pennywise Movie Makeup Kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to make a statement this Halloween or costume season. It's easy to apply, includes all the necessary components, and most importantly, it captures the essence of Pennywise with stunning accuracy. Whether you're a Pennywise fanatic or simply love Halloween makeup, this kit offers unbeatable value and quality for the price. So, if you're ready to take your Pennywise costume to the next level, the Rubies Pennywise Movie Makeup Kit is your go-to choice. Be sure to grab it before it's gone, as it's one of the most popular kits around. And, as always, thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews. See you next time.